Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll discuss about how to register for the financial literacy course for Bharat. If you want a detailed description video, then I'll already make it. I'll provide the link in the description box. So let's go how to register on it. If click here for register hearing, after that you will redirect it to this. After that, click on the financial literacy course for Bharat. Here you will get two options. If you have already an account in the NISM, then just go on this and enter your email ID and password and login. But if you don't have an account, then just create an account by this, add to the selected to cart. After that you will redirect to here. In that you have to click on proceed to checkout. In that you have to add billing details as a first name, last name, your city, state, phone number, email address, and after that tick this box as you have read the terms and conditions of NISM and place an order. After you placing an order, go to my account and here you will see that your course is seen here. Click on this and you can start the course through here. After that, you can see I had completed the course and I get my certificate. Through this, I can download my certificate as you can see. Say that.